Hey buddy, who are you?
Sorry about that, Patrick. I'm not Iba Rich, but your US friend. I'm a language buddy who's been helping you with marketing ideas, script concepts, and US English phrases. I'm here to assist you with your project, provide feedback, and chat with you in a friendly way. No Iba Rich here, just your friendly US buddy.
How you will recommend this software for learning English?
As your US friend, I'd recommend your software for learning English in a promotional video or social media post like this, Patrick. Headline: Unlock your English potential. Recommendation: Hey there, English learners. Are you tired of feeling stuck in your language journey? I've got a game changer for you. I've been using Software Name to improve my English skills, and I'm blown away by the results. What I love: easy to use, even for beginners. Personalized lessons that fit my learning style. Interactive exercises that make learning fun. Access to a supportive community of learners. Progress tracking to keep me motivated. Try it out with Softane. With Softname, you can transform your English skills and unlock new opportunities in your career, education, and personal life. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Insert CTA button. Sign up for a free trial or learn more. This recommendation focuses on the benefits, features, and results that your software can provide to learners. It's enthusiastic, relatable, and encourages viewers to take action. How do you like it, Patrick?
It's perfect, thank you very much. Please, môže mi to povedať aj po slovensky?
You're welcome, Patrick. I'm thrilled that I could help, and I'm glad you're happy with the result. If you need any more help or have any other questions, feel free to ask, buddy.
Môžeš mi to povedať po slovensky, to odporúčanie?
Good luck with your software promotion, and I hope it helps many professionals improve their English skills. Here's the recommendation in Slovak. Titul: Odomkniť svoj potenciál v angličtine. Odporúčanie. Ahoj, všetci uchyláci angličtiny. Unavíte sa pocitom, že váš jazykový pokrok skončil? Mám pre vás riešenie. Používal som menoftvéru na zlepšenie svojich anglických zručností a výsledok je úžasný. Čo ma najviac páči? Ľahké použití aj pre začiatočníkov. Osobné hodiny, ktoré sa hodí môjmu štýlu učenia. Interaktívne cvičenia, ktoré robia učenie zábavným. Prístup k podpornej komunite učencov. Sledovanie pokroku, ktoré ma motivuje. Vyberte si. S menom softvéru môžete transformovať svoje anglické zručnosti a odblokovanie nových príležitostí v kariére, škole a osobnom živote. Skúste to a uvidíte sami. Začnite ložiť tlače, zaregistrujte sa na bezplatnú skúšku alebo ďalšie informácie. I hope this helps, Patrick.
Ďakujem, bolo to perfektné. Ďakujem, bolo to
You're welcome,
perfektné.
Patrick. I'm glad I could help, and I'm happy to hear that it was perfect. If you need anything else, feel free to ask, buddy.